Hey, what's up guys, Ollie here. So I've got two Apple Watches here. You may be wondering why I got two. I wanted to see the difference between space grey and stainless steel. I am a personal fan of stainless steel, so I think I will probably go with the stainless steel. But I think a lot of people are trying to work out whether to go for the space grey or whether to go for the stainless steel. So yeah, I've got both here just to see what they're like together. So we'll start with the stainless steel first. Oh, this is actually very, very nice packaging. I'm actually surprised at how nice this packaging is, to be honest. So yeah, if we... Oh, okay, so now they're actually doing the watch and the band separately. So the watch I have on my hand here is actually the series, like the first generation Apple Watch in stainless steel. And if you ever got this watch, you would have got a really nice sort of square box. It looks like Apple aren't doing those anymore. I don't know if they're doing them for the more high-end ones, but I was hoping that they would do it for the stainless steel, because they did do it for this stainless steel model. But anyway, doesn't matter. So yeah, we have a watch band and then we have the watch. So if we open the watch up, so this is actually a pretty interesting way of doing it. I haven't seen this before. We have obviously the charging cable and the power brick. The charging cable will also work with the previous gen Apple Watches as well. So if we get this one out, so it comes in a really nice sort of like suede pouch. It's nice, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it's really stuck in there though. Oh wow, that is actually, looks pretty cute, not gonna lie. But that is amazing actually. That looks really, really nice. Stainless steel, and it looks, yeah, this is the 40mm version and this is the 38. So obviously Apple have changed the sizes a little bit and you can see they're pretty much the same size. So yeah, that's really, really nice. And then we have the sport band. I won't open that because I think most people know what a sport band looks like. I'm going to be transferring my stainless steel link bracelet that I have on this over to this watch anyway. So yeah, that will probably stay in its box. It will probably never be opened. So yeah, let's actually move on to the aluminium watch. I'll keep this to one side so that we can compare the two. And I'll move this. So yeah, this is the aluminium version in space grey. Oh, it comes off very easily actually. And then we have it here. Oh, actually, I do quite like that. I do quite like that. That looks very, very nice. It's actually a really nice finish. But yeah, let's put the two together so we can get a good look at them both. So yeah, this is the, oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, this is actually the bigger version. This is the 44mm and this is the 40mm. So yeah, 44mm, 40mm. And you can see the sort of color difference and the shading difference that they have. If I bring it closer to the camera. But yeah, you can see how different they are, how they really differ in sort of look and color. But I'm actually pleasantly surprised by the aluminium space grey. It actually looks pretty nice. Of course, the stainless steel is going to look classier. There's no doubt about it. I think stainless steel is always going to look a bit classier. But yeah, I think they look pretty good. But yeah, now you're going to see some beauty shots. Make sure to subscribe as well because I'll be doing reviews on both of these watches. So yeah, thanks for watching.